Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain day 21 for AWS Cloud of KodeKloud free lab. So let me go to the lab here and go to the AWS Cloud lab, and this is the day 21 task, setting up the EC2 instance with an elastic IP for application hosting. Okay, so let me open this lab. Okay. So we have already completed till day 20. So if you have any question and confusion, any doubt, then comment me on the comment section. I will answer there. And I would like to recommend you just uh, complete live one from the 1 day to 20 days. So day by day lab will be increase your knowledge in AWS cloud. Okay, so the here is the question is that create an EC2 instance named DevOps EC2 using any Linux ML Ubuntu. Okay, we have to launch the Ubuntu and instance type T2 micro and associated an elastic IP address with this instance name is DevOps IP. Okay, so let me open the AWS console. So this is the real-time task in the enterprise applications when DevOps engineer doing the task. Okay, so firstly we have to create an EC2 instance. Okay, and we have to select the T2 micro instance type and Linux MMI like Ubuntu. Okay, no problem. So go to the EC2 and instances. Okay, launch instances. In this launch instances, give the name DevOps EC2. Select the Ubuntu AMI. Okay, the latest one is fine, and we have to select the T2 micro. Okay, this one, the T2 micro instance type. Let me run without key pairs because the question asking that no key pairs required. Actually this task related to the elastic IP, so we don't need the key pairs, we can skip it. Let me select existing security group if any. Yeah, default is there. Okay, no problem. And here is auto assign public IP, no problem. Go to the advanced detail. Domain directory not required, instance type not required, protections credit, EBS volume not required, capacity. Okay, here is no nothing, just launch the EC2 instance. Instance has been launched. In this section we have to go to the elastic IP. Elastic IPs. Okay, we can go here. Elastic IPs. We have to create a elastic IP. What is the name? Association elastic IP. Okay, we have a copy. Allocate LIP elastic IPs. US East 1. Okay, create IP address. Okay, this is the elastic IP we have launched, and we can rename it. Name is elastic IP. Okay, good. And let me check the status. And this elastic IP we have to attach on that EC2 instance. So go to the action, associate elastic IP, and network interface. Select the instance DevOps EC2. Okay, that was our DevOps EC2, which was the EC2 instance. Okay, elastic IP is this one, and associate. Perfect. So this elastic IP allocated to that particular EC2 instance. Let me check the EC2 instance. Okay, associated instance ID last 4 digit is 7036. Let me cross verify the correct 7036. Okay, so what we did here, we have launched a EC2 instance, then created an elastic IP and attached that IP to the EC2 instance. So that was the task. So let me check the task. uh, uh, Elastic IP is not currently named. Elastic IP is not correctly named. Okay. Okay. Reboot the task. So this type of mistakes we have, I think they did some naming things for the Elastic IP. I copied the Elastic IP, but maybe some space issue or something. So let me quickly check it again. Okay. So I'm just opening the new lab here. So this kind of mistake we can do, and we have to identify the mistake and figure it out. What is the mistake? And let me check. EC2. Okay. So it's open the new lab. So firstly, uh, let me create a elastic IP first. Allocate elastic IP and no, not do anything. Remove and allocate the IP. Okay, elastic IP, and what is the name of the elastic IP? elastic IP. Okay, so name we can modify here. Perfect. Elastic IP. We have given the name. Okay, go to the EC2, launch a new instance. What is the instance name? DevOps 2. DevOps 2. Okay, taking the Ubuntu 1 to 24, and we have to select the T2 micro EC2 instance. Okay, without key pair. Okay, select existing security group and then launch it. Okay, DevOps EC2. The name is DevOps EC2 T2 micro elastic IP. Okay, address with this instance name is DevOps. Okay, so the address with instance name it is as DevOps elastic IP. Okay, we have to give this name. We did the mistake last time. Okay, so we have to give this name. Alright, now associate instance running. Okay, okay, associate this IP. Okay, now it's this EC2 instance associated. Association IP is this one. Network cancel base is this one. Okay, so last time we did this mistake. We have given this name, and yeah, so now let me check. Instance is running, public IP, elastic IP is associated. Okay, let me check the lab again. Okay, perfect. So this kind of things we can do the mistake and we have to resolve it. Okay, so this live day 21 is completed. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.